Get ready to ignite your inner trailblazer with the Trailblazers Toolkit. This explosive book is your ultimate guide to turning passion into a thrilling career adventure. Dive into a world of inspiration as you explore the lives of extraordinary innovators, from the ingenious cobbler of Siena to the origami tycoon. Each story is packed with powerful lessons to fuel your own journey. But this isn't just about reading, it's about doing. With thought-provoking questions and hands-on exercises, you'll uncover your unique passions and talents. Learn how great minds like Nikola Tesla and Elon Musk changed the world, and discover how you can make your own mark. The Trailblazers Toolkit isn't a dusty old textbook. It's your personal roadmap to an exciting, purpose-driven life. You'll learn how to find your true passion, turn your ideas into reality, overcome obstacles like a champion, make a real impact on the world. Whether you're a student, career changer, or dreamer, this book has the tools you need to blaze your own trail. It's time to stop following and start leading. Are you ready to unleash your inner trailblazer? Grab this book and start your journey to an extraordinary life today.